Hi, Sarah. Are you excited about FUD 2026? Yes, Aima. I really want to grow in my life next year. Me too. Growth is very important. What is your biggest plan for 2026? I want to improve my English a lot. That's a great goal. How will you do that? I will speak English every day. With friends or alone? Both. Practice is the key. What about you? I want to learn new skills. Like what skills? Computer skills and communication. That will help your future. Yes, I want a better job. Do you want to work or study in 2026? I want to do both. Wow, that's ambitious. Step by step, Miyui. I also want to be more confident. Confidence changes everything. How will you build confidence? By speaking without fear. Fear stops many people. Yes, but I want to face it. Do you have any bad habits to change? Yes, I waste too much time. Same here. In 2026, less phone, more action. I want to wake up early. Early mornings are powerful. I want to read more books. English books. And yes, simple ones. Reading improves vocabulary. Exactly. Do you want to travel in 2026? I hope so. Traveling teaches life lessons and improves English too. I also want to be healthier. Health is wealth. Will you exercise? Yes, at least 3 times a week. What about food? Less junk food, more home food. Good choice. Small changes matter. Do you want to save money? Definitely. I want to manage my money better. Me too. Spending wisely is growth. Do you have a dream job? Yes, teaching and creating content. YouTube? Yes, educational videos. That's inspiring. Thank you. I want to help my family more. That's a beautiful goal. I want to be kinder to myself. Self-love is important, and many people forget themselves. In 2026, I choose balance. Do you believe in planning? Yes, planning gives direction, but flexibility is also needed. True. What scares you about the future? Failure. Failure is a teacher. I'm learning to accept that. I want to speak English fluently. Let's practice together. Deal. Every day, 5 minutes. Consistency wins. Always. Do you want to inspire others? Yes, especially girls. Girls should dream big and work hard. 2026 is our year. Yes, our growth year. No excuses, only progress. Even small progress matters. Absolutely. Do you believe in yourself? More than before. What about social media? Use it wisely. Learn, don't waste time. Agreed. I want to speak clearly. Practice pronunciation. English opens doors. Many doors. Halfway to our goals already. Motivation boost. I want peace of mind. Same here. Less stress, more focus. Yes. Who inspires you? Strong women. Me too. They never give up. 2026 will test us and shape us. I want better communication. Listening is key. I want to be patient. Patience brings success. Do you write your goals? Yes, every month. That's smart. It keeps you focused. Do you believe in discipline? 100%. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. I want to stop procrastinating. Start small. 1 task at a time. Exactly. I want to smile more. Happiness is a choice, even in hard times, especially then. I want meaningful friendships. Quality over quantity. Supportive people matter very much. I want to speak English confidently on camera. You can do it. Practice makes progress. Not perfect. I love that quote. Me too. What will you stop doing in 2026? Doubting myself. And comparing myself to others. Comparison steals joy. True. If you want to speak English confidently, hit subscribe now. And I want to learn every day. Lifelong learning. That's growth mindset. I want to be proud of myself. You already should be. Progress is happening, slowly but surely.
What is your word for 2026? Growth. Yours? Courage. We are ready for 2026.
Let's remind each other. When we feel tired,
When we feel lost, we keep going. Dreams need action. Action every day.
Want to improve your English fast? Subscribe, like this video, and start speaking today.
Even small steps count. Always. I feel hopeful. Me too. Thank you for this talk. Thank you as well. Let's make 2026 meaningful. With purpose. With courage. And consistency. Are you ready? I am ready. Let's grow together. What? Let's grow together. One last message. Never give up. Keep learning English every single day. Believe in yourself. You are capable.
Team, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more English.
like this video of Deb. Comment your 2026 goals. Share with friends. Learn together.
English is a journey. Enjoy the journey. See you soon. Bye-bye. Welcome to a better 2026.